Avery, and today I'm going to open these Noms what I got for my birthday. Let's see what is kind of my bag is in here. Oh, I get a little Nom ring. Looks cute, adorable. We also have this. We have this collector's guide, so we know who it is. Let's see who we got. Let's open that one right there. Take out her little ears so we know who it is. Oh, it's so adorable. Has little ears. This looks like what it is on the picture. Oh, it's so cute. Take it out from her. She's coming now. She's lighting up.
What is it? You show me.
Is a little baby coming out of here. I found her on the picture. Is this one on the picture right here? She's opening when I like this, and she's closing when I like this.
How do you light it up?
You have to press her bell. And you have to press the bell again to turn it off. And now let's put it in her ring. Sticking out. I pressed her bell. Relief is by accident. Coffee pop. And she got a little blueberry under. Oh, she's cute and sparkly. Oh, wow. She had these little giraffe ears. Really cute. Now let's open our next Nom ring. Our next Nom ring is in here. Here's our light bag. Our Nom line bag. Okay. Let's find out who we got. I'm gonna see it. Let's see who we got. It's another one. We got the same one. That can be twins. Actually, they can be twins. And this one has a different baby. Oh, it's so adorable. Look, Mommy is the same as her. It's hard to get it. Oh, her baby is orange. I thought it was the same one, but it's not. Because this one is a little orange. Yeah, this one's a blueberry. Really neat. You can press her bell and she can light up to any color that you want. Really cute. It can come with the thing as well. It's too little, might fall off. First, let's put her mama on top of her. She's gonna lay her baby. Oh, it's cute. I don't know how to push it on. I'm gonna open this next one. Wow. The bottom. Let's take off.
Can you have any?
Open this. This is the next one. This is my last Nom. got this. Oh, this is our collector's guide. Which one we have? Now we got this little adorable thing. But when we have a little num num table, we got our num num lip gloss. That's really stuck. I got taken out this. This one has this inside it. Let's see. That one has this inside it. This. There we go. Done. Okay, these are all the pieces. We got this little knife. We got this sparkle gloss, and we got this little cake. We got another birthday cake, and we got a little banana. Really cute. And this little num num table. And that's all what we got.
You want to open this one?
Yeah, let's see if we have that. It's really so glittery, I know.
This we have banana crumbles.
Oh, we have
Crumbles.
We have maple marble.
But we're not gonna eat her. We're just gonna.
And the last one is
This one. I'm
velvety
it's okay for the cookie down.
cake. Almost like red velvet. And this is
Nella what?
Gloss. Almost looks like whipped cream.
They all smell different, but they smell delicious.
What do they smell like?
This one smells like cream, and this one smells.
Smell like vanilla?
I don't know what this. This one smells like chocolate cake, and this one smells like banana, and this one velvet cake. And I also have this little table with this little
Knife? Cake knife?
No. Thanks for watching. Bye. Papa, what's up?